Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to underline text in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select whatever text you want to underline, and then go up to the toolbar and select the U icon with an underline or a line underneath of it. Go ahead and left click on that. And if you want to undo that, just highlight over the text again and then select the underline icon to remove the underline. If you want to use a keyboard shortcut, you can just select the text and then select the Control and U key on your keyboard at the same time. So tap the Control and the U key, and that would underline or remove the underline depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.